Hello, everyone. Welcome to session 3 of AI 900 bootcamps from Microsoft Learn, Microsoft Zero to Hero community. We are so happy that we are here again with step 3 of AI, and we just have one step left to step into the AI world. So we are happy that we are again here. So this is Saidal together with Mohsen Akhavan, community leaders of Microsoft Zero to Hero community. So yeah, we have had a lot of good things, a lot of good feedbacks from you guys that you mentioned about the certifications, about the AI skills challenge that you passed, and also all of your experiences and so on. That we are so happy that we heard about them. Today, Mohsen is here with me, so we are going to dive into some other topics regarding the AI 900s. And as you know, Microsoft Learn is the richest place that you can be part of that and also learn from experts. And if you have something to share, you need to join us and be part of that big community. Microsoft Zero to Hero, right now, we are together around like 3,500 members together across all platforms and also learning rooms. So if you haven't joined yet, aka.ms/join Zero to Hero basically is the short link that you can use and register there and be part of that. So I don't want to spend a lot of time here because today we are going to cover three important topics related to AI vision, document intelligence, and also AI search. Also, we have a lot of demos today that Mohsen is going to show us different part of the AI, Azure AI services. So yeah, Mohsen, do you want to say hello to people? Then we can get
Yes,
ready.
thanks, Said. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much to joining us. As you mentioned, we have a lot of interesting topic, lab, demo, and yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
perfect. So as usual, adding to the stage, and we are going to remove actually our pictures here to make sure you have a full screen. Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's start with today's session regarding Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals, computer vision, AI document intelligence, and AI search. So today we are going to cover computer vision concepts, computer vision capabilities in Azure, and also Azure AI document intelligence, Azure AI search. And today we are going to learn about understanding the capabilities of AI vision, differences between the services related to AI vision, describe the face detection service, and also understands what the Azure AI document intelligence does and why organizations use it, and also describe knowledge mining and problem solve. So let's start with the first one, computer vision concept. So uh, as you can see here, we have an image as an array of pixel values. So I want to start with this one. So we have two pictures here. So what I'm going to explain here to you guys is about images and image processing. So step one of this image processing is if you check the left side hand of the picture, which is an image, an array that just I mentioned about that. So it's understanding grayscale images. So if I want to explain it easily, imagine a photo that's entirely in black and white. So it's representing different shade of gray, right? We can think of this photo as a grid of tiny square blocks, and each block has a value between 0, which is black, and 255, which is white. When we have a color picture, it's like having three grids placed side by side. One grid is for the red, another for green, and the other is like third one is blue. So now we need to apply filtering. When we're applying filtering, actually it's now when we want to change something about this picture, like making it fuzzy or sharper. We use filters for these kind of things. These filters are kind of like pattern stamps that we place over the image, and each filter has a set of values like weight that define the pattern. For example, we have a filter called Laplace, and this filter can help to make the edges of things in a picture pop out more. And the step three called convolution. When then move these filters across the picture, covering every individual square and the multiplying the value of each square by the corresponding value in the filter. But actually, we are going to adding up all these products. We get a new value for the spot. After repeating this like across the entire picture, we have a new grid of value, which we can see in right side hand of this slide, and this represent the modified picture. So we have step 4 in this case too, where we call it visual effect. So the new picture grid gives us a filtered image. And this process often results a cool visual effect like highlighting the edges or like thinking in the original pictures. And that's how we use filters in AI vision to change and enhance image. So in AI vision, we've worked with black and white pictures presented by a grid of numbers. And filters are like patterns that we place over the picture to create a new set of numbers. By doing math with these numbers, we get a modified picture with visual effect like sharper edge. It's a bit like using stencil to create new patterns on a piece of paper, but yeah, with picture made of number instead. So one of the common models called convolutional neural network. So one of the most common machine learning model architect for computer vision is convolutional neural network, which is basically known as CNN. So if you want to know what is the meaning of convolutional, basically the term convolutional comes from the mathematical operation called convolution. In the context of neural network, if you remember, we had a kind of concept. We learned about this kind of neural networks in session 1 and specifically in session 2. So it's the same, but in AI vision work. So specifically, convolutional neural network, the basically is the part refers to way the neural network process and analyzes visual data. So if I want to explain it easily, like an example, imagine you are a detective trying to solve puzzles using pictures. A CNN or a convolutional neural network is like your detective assistant. It takes pictures and tries to figure it out what is in these pictures. To do this, it looks through the pictures using a special filter that we just explained how does it work, and a bit like putting magnifying glass over different parts of picture. So this helps find important bits in picture like the color, shapes, or other things of the object. When the CNN looks at a lot of picture, it can recognize pattern, like how apples, bananas, and oranges look like. So this is called training, and it's really important because you already heard about training several times, right? So we call it training. The CNN at first uh, basically filters, and also at first the filters don't know what to look for, so they guess randomly. But as the CNN sees more pictures and learns from the mistakes, it adjusts the filters to become really good at recognizing fruits. So the CNN then takes all the important bits it finds and sends them to another part of its brain, which figures out what the picture probably is. In the end, it gives you a guess, like this is 80% an apple, or like 15% banana, or like 5% orange. So the CNN is like a detective that learns to recognize things in pictures, and and more pictures it sees, the better it gets solving the like mysteries. So in the diagram that you can see right now, we have 5 parts. So I want to a bit explain what are these 5 steps. So uh, image with known labels, like as we can see in this picture, like example, like apple, banana, orange, they have their number, like in this example, like 0 is apple, 1 is banana, 2 is orange. So they are fed into the network to train the model, and one or more layers of filters is used to extract features from each images as it feeds through the network. The filter kernels start with randomly assigned weight and generate arrays from numeric values called feature maps. So number 3 is the feature maps are flattened into a single dimensional array of feature values. And then for step 4, we have the feature values are fed into a fully connected neuronal network. And the end, we have output layer of the neuronal network uses a softmax or similar function to produce a result that contains a probability value for each possible class. For example, 0.2, 0.5, giving the numbers. If you remember, we already talked about this kind of output in session 2. So it's all about a convolutional neuronal network. But it's not enough, because we need to have something like a multi-model models. So one of the model that I would like to mention about that is Microsoft Florence. So the Microsoft Florence model is like a very smart and well-trained AI detective for pictures. It can look at images and understand what's going on in them, and even describe them in words. And it's really cool. So imagine Florence as having 2 key talents, one for understanding language and one for understanding pictures. It's like having 2 skills in one person. Florence has been trained with lots of pictures from internet along with their descriptions. So this helps her learn about different things in great detail. Moreover, Florence is like a foundation for building other smart AI helpers. So you can use her to create special detectives for special tasks, like telling you what is in the picture, like image classification, or finding and pointing out things in picture, which is called object detection, or writing a description for what's happening in picture, which is called captioning, or making a list of words that match what is in the picture, which is called tagging. So in simple terms, Microsoft Florence, it's a super smart AI that's really good at understanding pictures and words. So you can use her to make even smarter helpers that focus on specific jobs, like figuring out what is in picture or describing in the details. So we just learned about one of the multi-models regarding the AI vision. The other part is related to computer vision services in Azure. So we have two main ones that we would like to describe it in this session. So one of them is Azure AI Vision. Azure AI Vision is a broad service that includes a range of functionalities related to image and video processing. So it provides capabilities for understanding, analyzing, and processing images using advanced AI models. Uh, Actually, this includes tasks like image recognition, image classification, object detection, text recognition, and also more and more. Essentially, Azure AI Vision is like an all-in-one AI service for handling different aspects of virtual content, making it useful for a wide range of applications related to image and video analysis. The other part is related to Azure AI Face. So, Azure AI Face, on the other hand, is specifically tailored for facial recognition and analysis tasks, and it's really important. It focuses on identifying and analyzing faces within images and videos, including tasks like face detection, face recognition, facial attribute analysis, and emotion recognition. The service is especially useful for applications that require processing and understanding human faces, such as security, access control, and personalized users' experiences. In simple terms, again, Azure AI Vision is like a multi toolbox for understanding and analyzing all sorts of virtual content, while Azure AI Face is like a specialized tool specifically designed to work with faces, emotions, and facial attributes. So we just learned about these two Azure AI services regarding the AI vision. Let's jump into the computer vision capabilities in Azure. So the Azure AI Vision image analysis, it's a kind of analysis service, is a tool that can look at pictures and do lots of different things. For example, it can check if a picture has any adult content, find things like logos or objects in the picture, or even uh, find faces of people in the picture. If you want to try out this tool and see how does it work, so you can go to the Azure AI Vision Studio at portal.visioncognitive.azure.com. Then you can play around with the tool and see all the cool things. However, today Mohsen will show us this environment too. So stay tuned. Regarding this AI vision service, we have different things that different things that are related to this service. So, for example, model customization. This capability allows you tailor the AI model to recognize specific things based on your needs. For instance, if you want the AI to recognize your company's logo, so you can teach it to do that. The other one is related to read text from images. It means the AI can look at pictures and read any text it finds. This can be super helpful when you have a lot of images with text and you want to extract the text from them automatically. Next one is detect people in the image. So the AI can find and identify where people are in picture. This might be used for things like counting the number of people in a crowd or analyzing how many people are in the certain area. Next one is generate image captions. The capability lets the AI describe the content of an image in words. For instance, if there is a picture of a beach, the AI could generate a caption like a sunny beach with palm trees. So it can captioning. The other one is detect objects. So the AI can identify and pinpoint a specific object in an image. For instance, again, it can recognize and label things like cars, tree, animals, and so on. Next one is tag visual features. This capability helps in associating specific tags to visual elements within the image. So, for example, tagging a group photo with happy, outdoors, and smiling based on expression in the image. And the last one is a smart crop. The AI can automatically find the most important part of the picture and help you crop it. This is useful for creating visual applying images for presentations, websites, and social media. So that's all related to image analysis and also AI vision service. Let's jump to face services. So while the AI vision service provides some basic face detection and analysis features, the face service offers additional capabilities, and all users can use face service to detect, but there is small things that I'm going to mention about that. So the basic face detection and analysis AI vision service can find and analyze faces, but the face service can do even more. It provides extra capabilities like blur. It can tell you how clear or blurry the face is in the picture. This helps understand if the face is the main focus of the image. The other one is exposure. This detects if the face is underexposed, like it's too dark, or overexposed, like it's too bright. So it only focuses on the exposure of the face itself, not the overall picture. Next one is like glasses. It can recognize if the person in the picture is wearing glasses. Or the other one is head pose. This determine the angle of the face in a 3D space, like if the face is looking straight ahead or the side. Next one is noise. So it identifies visual noise which appears like grainy or spotty dots in the image. This can happen in like low light settings, as you know, like when you take a picture with a high ISO settings. The other one is occlusion. It helps to find out if anything is blocking the face. For example, if part of the face is behind the object or another person's head. So in sense, the face service digs deeper into understanding the details of each face in an image. And basically, the most important things that I need to mention about that, and it's about responsibility AI use. Basically, if you can check, oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. So if you check the small part of this slide that we mentioned, that to support Microsoft Responsibility AI principle, facial recognition is under a limit access policy. So what does it mean? Basically, it's very important service, right? So it means that only customers who have a managed service agreement with Microsoft are allowed to use the facial recognition features. So, in other words, if you are not a managed Microsoft customer, you won't have access to those specific capabilities. And it's a kind of form that you need to fill it out and send it to Microsoft, and they will basically enable this service to your environment. Okay, so let's do some demos in Mohsen's environment. He prepared this demo related to detect faces in Vision Studio. So Mohsen, I think it's your time.
Thank you, Seth.
Just yeah, let me back to full screen here. Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. Based on Said mentioned the one sample of AR vision feature is face detection. In this lab, I'm going to show you AR vision how to detect the face with mask or without mask. The first step, we need to create Azure AI service inside of the Azure portal. You can create from marketplace and like this one, AI service. Yeah, this one. You can create this feature first of all. After that, you create this resource. I created before the demo for time saving. After you create AR service, you should go jump to Vision Studio portal. The first time you need to connect the Vision Studio to AI service you created before that. From VLR resources, you can connect, you can see AI lab services you created in Azure portal, connect to them. After that, in the below the Vision Studio, you have this feature detect face in an image. I will try to how to the Azure AI Vision detect the face. For example, there are some sample picture here. You can select it, for example, this one. And yes, face of one, if you select detected, and the face mask, no. For example, another one, you can see, and another one, face of one, mask yes, and also covering with mask. Let me show another sample from here. Take face storage. Yeah, as you see, the AI vision detect the face and clear, and you can see how to AI vision detect the face. If you another picture to two face, you can see detect all of the three faces in the image. That's one, and this one. If you select without face, and the cover some things in the picture, no face detected. This feature is face detection in AI vision, and show you. And back to Said for another slide.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mohsen. And as you can see in this slide, if you want to test it out in your environment, aka.ms/AI900 dash face. So you can find a full exercise there, and you just need to have access to AI face detection to be able to test it out. So thanks again, Mohsen. Let's jump to the other part, which is related to OCR. I believe you already heard about this service. The OCR is a kind of or service, or let's say method that we use that for many long years. So basically, it's based on AI now. So computer vision service, it's changed a lot, right? So actually we've talked about the computer vision service and how it's used for analyzing images. So it can do even more. Through it also has capabilities for OCR, which is optical character recognition. This means it can spot and pull out text from images. So OCR capabilities, basically, the read API is a tool that software developers can use to take text from pictures, both handwriting and printed. It can do this quickly from short snippets of text, as well as handle longer text in slower step-by-step process. In short, the computer vision service isn't just good at understanding images, it's also pretty skilled at pulling out text from like pages, documents. And the read API is the tool that lets developers use this power in their own software creations. So it's really important. Basically, you can use this service in many way. So let's jump to another demo. So Mohsen, please show us the environment regarding this
Yeah.
one.
Another feature I think Said is very interesting. This feature is help us to detect the text, and OCR is very useful to handwrite or other image text. Is very useful, and I think it's very interesting AI feature. We have extract text from image from here. I will try it. Oh, there are some samples. I will use my sample from download the OCR image, for example, this letter. This is a handwrite letter. As you see, the AI vision detected this picture and OCR all of the text, and you see if you can select each one is the show us the position of the text. Let me show another, for example, I think it's and notes. Yeah, this is a receipt. When I upload the image, the AI vision detect this way and OCR all of the text, the title, the actually the address, phone number, date, time, all of them also is Apple, Orange, all of the selected. Yeah, this one is OCR feature in AI vision. And Said, back to you. Said, I think you are mute.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just wanted to say, if you want to test it out, aka.ms/AI900/OCR. So basically, you can test it in your environment. We have another demo that it's related to image in Vision Studio. So jump it again to Mohsen.
Yeah, let's me back. Okay, thank you, Said. Uh, Analyze image in Vision Studio. I think this feature also is so interesting, and we need to create some resources here. And as I mentioned before, of the app, back to Vision Studio in image analysis. It's me, yeah, this one. And selected add distance caption of image. Here we can upload some image from here, or sample or R sample. I selected the star camera one. As you can see here, when we upload an image, the AI vision detected some topic. For example, a woman and girl in grocery store, smiling, holding a phone case. As you see, detected a lot of feature here. And a woman wearing a purple hat, and also on this feature. After you upload your image in the AI vision, detected some feature tag based off the knowledge base, and show you how to detect and also all of the feature you see in the image. And actually, one feature, I'll be back to Visual Studio. We have, I think, let me find tag image from image, the caption, extract comment, tag, yeah, here. This capability, if you select an image, the AI vision detects some tags from image. For example, let's select this one. Yeah, as you see in the result, and also the person, 98.42% is the person. Actually, grocery store, trade, selling, market, and detect all of the tag. You can use this tag for some feature and your third-party application. And analyze the image and the person, for example, the street, the person of minimum, a woman, an indoor, outdoor, store, and marketplace. This is feature for analyze the image with tag.
Yeah, it's really great, Mohsen, because we just explained how does the system work, but it's really useful because you can use it with different applications and make a very smart application in different aspects of
Exactly.
developing new applications. Okay,
Exactly.
so let's jump back here. If you want to test it out in your environment, aka.ms/ai900-image-analysis. So let's go to next topic, which is Azure AI Document Intelligence. This one is really interesting, and I like it, to be honest. So here, basically, this service that once known as Form Recognizer, so they changed the name, Microsoft changed the name and has been given a new name called Document Intelligence. Actually, this change is to better present the AI capabilities when it comes to working with documents. So what does it do actually? Document intelligence, it's designed to automatically read, understand, and examine different type of business document, making the process more efficient. So we have three services here. One of them is document analysis. So this is all about understanding and analyzing the content of business document. The next one is pre-built models. So these are machine learning models created for specific types of form like receipts, such as hotel receipts, gas receipts, restaurant receipts, and etc. So it's like for invoices, ID forms, and so on. The model can identify text and field names, and the output is available in a database-friendly JSON format, so you can easily use it for your applications. And next one is custom models. With this feature, you can train machine learning models for a specific forms used in your organization. It's only required a small number of example forms for train. So like as a few 5, 6. And Azure storage account is the place that you can store them. And also the second the next one is actually this allows you to customize the models to better suit the forms that are commonly used in your organization. So document intelligence is all about making it easier to work with various business documents, and it's made up of features that help analyze different type of forms automatically. So when we are talking about AI document intelligence, we have another interesting part, which is basically analyzing, right? So the document intelligence service is more than just a text detector. It also lets you work with models that can understand the field on a form, as just we mentioned. For example, it can pick out specific type of data like addresses, phone numbers, dates, times, and quantities. And it's smart enough to understand the connection between the labels like date or quantity and the corresponding values. Also, receipt analyzer, basically it's a feature lets you create your own custom models for pulling information from your scanned forms. Alternatively, you can use the pre-made models to extract the data for common document types like receipt, business card, invoices, and so on. And about foundational technology, the document intelligence service is built on OCR that we just mentioned, optical character recognition technology. This means in addition to extracting text, it can also pull out structure, connections, key information, entities, and other insight specific to a document. In nutshell, the document intelligence service is about understanding the details in forms and documents, make it easier to work with and extract the information in the content. So here, if you want to getting started with document intelligence, it's super easy to use that. So first of all, it's using a no-code approach. You can explore the functionality easily without any problem. First of all, you need to create resources, document intelligence, AI resources, and so on, and then enable it easily, and then getting a start. That's all. But yeah, it's on paper. So Mohsen, show us, how does it work?
Yes, Said, as you said, mentioned, it's very easy to use Azure Document Intelligence Studio. You can create from here and also add the AI series from the text from here, the resource, create a new resource, select your subscription and put resource group, and last AI service created. And back aside, I think it's a very good example for document analysis is read and analyze the resume or CV. It's very useful. I
Exactly.
think it's many company use it for analyze the
Yeah,
CV.
HR departments love it.
Yeah, actually, yes. And some CV is go to trash or drop before it's not cover minimum requirement, as you know. Okay, let's test in the document intelligence studio. You can, first of all, I choose the, for example, this is a CV. It's a run analyst. And when you run analyst the CV, the results in the right side, you can the name, title, and the summary of the person contact, and you can set a label for all of them in analyst and compare the minimum requirement. Let me show you the handwrite notes. Here is a sample. It was inside the slides. Let's run analysis. As you can see, they take all of the text in the picture about the contact, date, time, and the other one. Yeah, this is a demo for document intelligence, and we can move to the last topic. I think is Azure AI search. Next
Exactly.
slide.
So yeah, I think from this part you can take over, Mohsen, and continue with the AI search.
Yeah, this is a AI search feature in the Azure AI service. I think all of us, we are familiar with web search platform like Google or Bing or other one. And we want to show how to work and how do the service work because there are a lot of data in the Word, in the website, in document. When we search, for example, a question, and the minimum time we receive the result. So the backend is the AI service to analyze this content on all of them. And we can use AI search, for example, some question and answer in some website or dashboard. You need to analyze some document, for example, review some for in the website, hotel or cafe, and actually analyze a lot of document, a huge of document you need to search inside of them and detect some topic you need. And next slide, please. And in Azure AI search solution, we can ingest data from a lot of sources. For example, in the blob storage, Azure SQL, Cosmos DB, data lake, table storage. After that, we ingest data to each resource in each connection. AI enrichment and index of the data. I will show you to the demo how to AI search engine analyze some review for a cafe and positive and negative comments in the slide. And actually, the last one explored the information from the huge of the document or data. We can create visualization from our result, or also we can use in our application about the result of the search. And the last one, AI enrichment. The AI enrichment recognize the text. For example, we have 1,000 document. I imported it to blob storage. AI enrichment indexing all of them based off our tag selected, and we help with some skill set from AI. The help us to give us some best result from the our document or other things. And after you learn this model, we automatically AI create a knowledge store for to learning more to give a good result. Let's jump to the last demo. Back to the stage. Yeah. First of all, it's different before labs. We need some another resource. In the Azure resource, we create Azure AI service. We created before that. Also, we need to create a blob storage as a source connection, and also we need to import all of our data. After you create a data storage, you need to create a container. I created copy reviews. And also in the copy reviews, I imported all of the sample data. Let me show you one sample of the data. As you see, it's a review, have a date, I actually have a location, an image, and a review. For example, in sample is a positive review for like this cafe. All this review, I think it's the 9th review, I imported the blob storage. After you imported all of the document in the blob storage, you need back to index document. Let's me back here, AI lab. Yeah, this one, document intelligent, I created. Let's me, sorry, back to Azure AI search. Yeah. First of all, as you see, I create a blob storage, imported sample data in the container. Now I need to import data to Azure AI Search Services. From here, you can import all of the data. I create some data source connection. As you see, there are a lot of source connection. Azure SQL, SQL Server, Cosmos DB, blob storage. We selected blob storage. You need to put a name, sample name, create a data. This data content is a metadata. Parsing mode is a default. Select the subscription, and actually you need to connect your blob storage and select the container. There are a lot of review. After that, as you see, needed to define some default value, as I mentioned, enrichment. For example, extract the location name, key phrases, detect the language, you select the year, each item you need, and the last step is the customer data. Take a time about the 5 minutes to import the data I created before it. Let me search explore. For testing, for example, I select the last index I created, coffee index, and here we jump to JSON view. And for example, the first example I search all of the item. I will show you all of the document. As you see, the location selected, detected, Seattle, Washington, and key phrases, actually coffee drink, local art, or other things. Now I wanted to limit the search. For example, let me select this query. I want to search the location in Chicago, and content is true, is a positive. When I search, as I see, from 9 documents we uploaded, 3 documents find it with the Chicago location, and the show the other review, the content of the review, and other sample. And the last things I'm going to show you back to blob storage. As you see, when the trained is a model, automatically create a skill set AI search for use this search engine. image from, as you see, detected all of the image. And the last one, the copy view, and the JSON is a knowledge base. Yeah, it was the last demo from AI Search. I think back to Said. Maybe I think it's the quiz time.
Yeah,
Yes?
yeah, perfect. Thank you so much, Mohsen. It was really great to see how this service does work. So, as we have this plan always feed these AI bootcamp sessions, we are going to show you some questions. So please contribute to answer these questions, and the winner will have a 50% discount off all of Microsoft fundamental exams. So you can use it for all of Microsoft fundamental exams. So I'm going to show the screen, the slides related to questions. We have 6 questions for this session because we were talking about 3 different services. So please, when you want to answer, mention the number of the question so we can easily identify you based on your question, based on your answer. Sorry. So let's just start. The first one, you want to use face detection service to identify faces in images. What can be identified using the face detection service? Face that cannot be seen because the person has turned the back, partially obscured faces, faces that are obscured by another object. So, yeah, let's see who is the first person going to answer. If you remember, we were talking about the face part, face detection part, and we were talking about how we should use that. Okay, Guilherme, question 1, and the answer says C. B and C. So the correct answer is partial obscured faces. Guilherme mentioned about B and C. So
Yeah.
I would like to take it as a correct answer. What do you think, Mohsen?
Yeah, actually, yes. Yeah, I
Okay,
agree with you.
okay, perfect. So yeah, Guilherme, you are the winner in this case, and let's go for question 2. You want to use the AI vision and AI language service. You also want you want developers to require only one key and endpoint to access all your services. What kind of resource should you create in Azure? Perfect. The first answer is from Bushra. So yes, Bushra is the winner in this case. Azure AI Service is the answer. So let's jump to the third question. Which service are part of Azure AI Vision? One thing that I would like to mention here, people, these questions is kind of same as the question that you will face in AI 900 exam, fundamental exam. So you need to be prepared for that exam, right? So this a good training for you. Just think about that. Okay, yeah, 3B Guilherme. Guilherme. Sorry, I think I mentioned your name wrongly, but yeah. So yeah, the correct answer is optical character recognition and face detection. Since Guilherme and Bushra, you guys already answered this past question, so I would like to mention Hermine Turner as the winner for this question. But it's not ended yet. We have 3 more questions here, which is related to second part of this AI bootcamp, document intelligence and also AI search. So which problem is document intelligence desired to solve? This one is pretty easy to answer.
Yeah, actually we demo it.
Yeah, exactly. You just mentioned it in the demo. Perfect. Andres, the answer is extracting. No, sorry. I missed that one. Yeah, sorry. The question number 4 is not A. It's a kind of help, right? It's not A. Okay, we have some answers here. Bushra says B, and also we have Rus. So Bushra is already answered, but Rus is the second one who answered this question. So this winner for this question, we have another winner, which is Rus. So, okay, sorry. And let's go for question number 5. You want to extract information and perform semantic recognition on the extracted field. What service would you use? Number 5. Who is the next winner? Okay.
Remember that CV.
Yeah, AI document intelligence is the answer. And since we have people that they already answer, so this answer and the winner of this question is Andres. Perfect. And yeah, the answer was AI document intelligence. And number 6, which 2 steps are part of building an AI search solution? So just to help you, when you want to create an AI solution, the first part is basically which 2 steps. Basically, it's the part that you need to connect and use your data, right? So think about that like that. We have only one answer here. It's not like A, B, C. So we just need to take one. So please mention one answer. Okay. Basically, we have 2 winner in this case that they already answer other questions. One is Bushra, who says B, and also we have sorry, this one B, and also another one which is Rus, who mentioned about A and B, but the B is correct. So AI enrichment and indexing is the 2 steps that are part of building an AI search solution. Perfect. Thank you so much for your contribution. We will contact you guys for the vouchers. So we will send those vouchers by email to you. We have a small summary here that we learned about computer vision concept. We learned about computer vision capabilities. also AI document intelligence, and also AI search. So if you haven't scanned this barcode yet, make sure that you scan it and share this badge that you actually earn it from Microsoft Learn. We would like to see that you added these badges in this badge in your social medias, and it's really great. Let's move back to the stage.
Yeah.
Basically, we do not need to flip screen right now anymore. So yeah. Mention Microsoft Learn, mention Microsoft Zero to Hero, and we would like to see those activities from our learners. And it's really great to see you that you are active. And we hope that you very soon pass the AI fundamental exams. One more thing, if you haven't joined AI Skills Challenge yet, make sure that you join aka.ms/AI Skills Challenge, which is the great place that you can learn more about AI in different ways, from fundamentals to until Microsoft Fabric. And it's really great opportunity for you to learn more in a perfect way, like learning from Microsoft Learn plus some training that is waiting for you in AI Skills Challenge. We have another session, which is the last session, last steps of going into the AI world next week. I want to say don't miss that session, because on that session we have one specific things. We are going to giving out badges for the first time from Microsoft Zero to Hero community. And basically we have planned to share those that badge with people that were with us in all of sessions, plus those who are very active. So don't forget to mention us in your social medias, and hope to see you in the last session of Azure AI bootcamp, 900 bootcamps, which we name it 4 steps to the AI world. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for joining us. And I will mention again, don't miss next week session. And actually, they have access in our YouTube channel to all sessions. So you review all of them. Thank you again.
Yeah, wish you a great weekend. Take care. Bye.